Claire for Blockchain of Things. In this tutorial, you'll learn all about the List Exported Assets node. The List Exported Assets node retrieves a list of previously exported assets that satisfy your search criteria. Then the node returns the status of these assets, as well as further relevant information. Add a name in the name field and set your Catenis virtual device in the connection field. In the Asset ID field, enter the ID of a previously migrated and exported Catenis Smart Asset. Select a foreign blockchain that the asset has been exported to. In the Token Symbol field, select the ticker symbol for the foreign token. In the Status field, enter a single status or a comma-separated list of statuses such as pending, success, error, etc. Your search will be filtered to include these statuses. The Negate status field enters a single status or a comma-separated list of statuses such as pending, success, error, etc. Your search will be filtered to exclude these statuses. In the Start Date field, specify the start date of the period you wish to see the history of. In the End Date field, specify the end date of the period you wish to view the history of. In the Limit field, specify the maximum number of issuances returned. This field is optional. In the Skip field, specify the number of issuances to skip. This field is also optional. Good stuff! Now that you understand the List Exported Assets node, it's time to learn how to use it in your own flow.